received money from the Paycheck Protection Program? My name is Nina, and we're going to review the Small Business Administration's Paycheck Protection Program report. These approvals are through 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, April 16th, 2020. As of 4/16/2020, the loan count is 1,661,367. Net approved dollars is $342 million, and the lender count is 4,975. Here's a list of all the states and territories within the U.S. and the top 5 that received the most money: California at $33.4 billion, Texas at $28.5 billion, New York at $20 billion, Florida $17 billion, and Illinois $16 billion. The overall average loan size is $206,000. Loans $150,000 and under, 1,229,893. You can take a look at the industries listed. You can see that it's all over the map with regard to which industries received what amount. And if you take a look at this last slide, it is the most interesting to me because the Small Business Administration elected to not list the lender's name. Instead, each lender has a number. The top 15 lenders you see listed here approved dollars totaling over $90 billion. That's all the information released by the Small Business Administration with regard to this first round of PPP loans. As I find more information, I'll bring it to you. Thanks for watching.